guys, what's up? So today I'm going to be showing you guys a new collection from Hard Candy, and that is the Hard Candy X Girl Scouts collaboration collection. So if you would like to see what's inside this box as well as the makeup tutorial, then just stay tuned. So the first thing inside the box is this little card that says makeup just got sweeter. And on the back here, it says it's a batch made in heaven. We've baked up the perfect treats to celebrate individuality, confidence, and creativity. Each limited edition Girl Scout cookie inspired product gives you a delicious way to serve up new looks, all for under $10. And then it says to buy cookies and support your local troop, go to girlscoutcookies.org. And I thought, what better way to celebrate Women's History Month than a Girl Scouts collection? I was never a Girl Scout, but I will get down on some Girl Scout cookies. Samoa's being my favorite. All right, so the first thing is this adorable little headband with the Girl Scouts logo and these cookies. Oh my gosh, how adorable. Next, we have the Girl Scout Be Bold, Do More face puffs. There are 2 of these inside here, and it is in the shape of the Girl Scout logo. So super cute, and you guys, these are reusable and so soft. Next, we have this Girl Scout Refresh Mint Canvas Primer, and you guys, I love the tip of this primer. Here's what it looks like outside of the box, and you guys just wait a second. Look at the tip of this primer. It is so cool. This is a cooling tip, so it's going to get rid of any puffiness while you prime for your makeup. Next, we have 2 of their Girl Scout Sweet Hydration Lip Repair Oils. This one is in Coconut Caramel, and this one is in Thin Mints. And you guys, these smell just like the cookies. These are going to restore hydration and deliver next level shine. Next, we have some nail products in this collection. We've got the Girl Scout Handshake Press On Nails. Super cute. They're just red nails, and then they've also got some nail stickers behind there. And they also included some of those nail stickers right here. This is the Girl Scout Handshake nail stickers. So super cute. Next, we have the Girl Scout Cookie Batter Indulgent Volumizing Mascara, and this is in the shade Dark Chocolate. This is so cute. You guys, look at the packaging. It's got the Girl Scout cookies all over it, and it is a brown mascara with an amazing wand. Next is the Girl Scout Cookie Glaze Velvety Smooth Lip Color, and this is in the shade Trefoils. And it looks a little something like this. Super cute. It's got the little trefoils all over it. And I do have this on my lips today, and it smells so good. We have 3 palettes in this collection. This first palette right here is called the Girl Scout Mint Explorer Shadow Palette. I want to swatch all of these palettes for you guys. So opening it up, it looks a little something like this. I did use all 3 of these palettes on my eyes today, but I'm going to go ahead and swatch all of these for you guys. Each palette has a pop of glitter, which I love. So here is the Mint Explorer palette swatched, with that middle shade being right on the back of my hand here. Moving right along, we've got the Girl Scout Caramel Queen Shadow Palette, and this palette looks a little something like this. And on the inside of each palette, it says I can, and she 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 can, so on and so forth, which I absolutely love that. Girl power. So let's go ahead and swatch this one. And here is the Caramel Queen palette swatched. Center shade is right in the middle of my hand. And last but not least for the palettes, we've got the Buttery Bestie Shadow Palette. And that one looks a little something like this. And here is the Buttery Bestie palette fully swatched. Last but not least in this collection, we have this adorable makeup bag. Isn't this so cute? And you guys, it is absolutely huge. Without further ado though, let's jump into the makeup tutorial using some of the products from the Hard Candy Girl Scouts collection. Okay, so this is so cute. It's got the little Girl Scout symbol on it, as well as cookies. Super cute. All right, so the first product we're gonna go in with is the Girl Scout Refresh Mint Canvas Primer. And this has a frozen chill tip applicator. Super excited to try this out. This is gonna smell like thin mint, so let's see. Okay, so there is what the tip looks like. Super cool. Love the little packaging with all the little cookies. And I'm just gonna go right in. All right, rub this in. Ooh, it does smell like thin mint, you guys. All right, so now to apply a little powder and set my face, I'm gonna be using the Girl Scout Be Bold Do More Face Puffs. These are reusable, which is super cool, and they are the little Girl Scout symbol. Okay, so I'm gonna be taking the Buttery Bestie Shadow Palette, the Caramel Queen Shadow Palette, and the Mint Explorer Shadow Palette, and we are gonna be creating a look.
I just wanted to hop on here during editing and let you guys know that these palettes smell like they're designated cookies.
All right, so now I'm gonna use the Girl Scout Cookie Batter Indulgent Volumizing Mascara in Dark Chocolate. So this is a brown mascara, should be fun. And here is what the packaging looks like, super cute. The little cookies at the top, love it. I'm just going to coat my lashes in this. I love this. All right, so now I'm just gonna add some brown dots to this look to kind of play on that cookie, Girl Scout cookie theme. And then to finish off this Girl Scout look, we are using the Girl Scout Cookie Glaze Velvety Smooth Lip Color in the shade Trefoils. Smells really good too. And here is the final look, you guys. Move my hair out of the way a little bit for you. Will you be picking up anything from the Hard Candy Girl Scout collection? Let me know down in the comments below. I just want to say a big thank you to Hard Candy for sending me this collection to try, and thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.